Hi everyone, welcome to the Talk with Ebose. My name is Ebose Blessing and today we'll be talking about career moves. Career moves are the kind of jobs you want to get after graduation, the kind of internships you want to get during college, the kind of promotion you're looking at, and also the career change you want to make. Yes, search the job. Search the job, check for the requirements, understand the job description. What are they looking at? What are the requirements? What are the degree needed? What are the skill sets needed for that job? Every significant thing that you can find in there. What are the years of experience needed for the job? What are the tools needed, the software needed? Those are the skill sets. Now, when you're done making those searches, you want to prioritize from what you have and what you will get to make that. You're in school already, for those in college, and you're actually in a phase whereby you don't even understand what you want to do. I think this is the right time for you to start talking to people, understanding how the industry works, understand what is going outside the industry. Now, if you already make all of that and you know what you want to be, maybe you want to be in the pharmaceutical industry, you want to be in the IT sector, you want to be in marketing, you want to be a teacher, one thing you want to do is take courses that would actually align you to that path. And how can you get those skill sets? If you have those skill sets, great, fine. If you don't, you want to talk to people that are actually in that industry to know if there are ways you can actually get those skill sets. When I mean ways to get those skill set is, do you have to get certification? Do you have to go back to school to take some courses? Do you just need some training? Do you have to take some board exams to have those skill sets? The thing you want to do is gather as much experience as you can. Like, make volunteers. When you're taking those courses, learn online, ask peers, ask questions. Ask as many questions as you can. Ask from anybody you know is in the field, especially if you're making a career change. If you're making a promotional change, look for the certification that is being needed. Volunteer. When I mean volunteer, you can as well go to other departments and take training. Make yourself noticeable. Let the manager or whoever is in that department notice that you want to make that change. For instance, I have a friend who was working in a company and he was in a particular field. He doesn't like it. He wants to move to the IT sector. So what he did was he started sacrificing 2 hours, extra 2 hours, non-paid. When he's done with work, he goes to the IT department and learn from them 2 hours twice in a week. And after about a year, maybe a year or 9 months, he was able to land himself that job. Better position, better pay. That's how it works. While I was in school, I studied biomedical engineering. I knew I wanted to work in the pharmaceutical industry. So what I started doing is I started taking courses that could align to drug development, protein engineering, tissue engineering, and also did a lot of volunteering. And I was able to land myself a good job. Sometimes you have to sacrifice. Be ready to sacrifice along the line. Volunteer. Learn from people. Bring down your ego. This will help you learn a lot. Ask a lot of questions. Remember, whenever someone is teaching you, you are actually gaining. Regardless of what they want to say, that doesn't concern you. Focus on what you are gaining from the person. Ask questions, learn a lot, and then write up your resume. Write up your resume, put in all the skill sets you've gained, put in all the volunteering work you've done. Remember, don't forget, you've searched, you already have an idea of what is going on, you have the skill set already, you've talked to people in the industry, and now they've given you insight of what it is, and you now have the confidence. Apply for the job, and don't belittle yourself. Remember, put your first foot forward. Put in all the good work that you know that would actually attract the employer. And that's it. I hope this helped you. Don't forget, search the job, talk to people, get all the skill set needed, and learn. Learn. In doing all of this, you would be able to make that change.